Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your NinjaTrader demo account. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so there's a couple of different ways. So first way is open up your NinjaTrader app on your PC or laptop, then click onto accounts. Now I want to go ahead and right click on the account, and then from here we need to click on edit account. Now there might be a little reset button above the cancel button, but if you don't see that, that's okay. There's another way we can do that. So just click out of NinjaTrader. And then from here, we want to go to open up a web browser, go to account.ninjatrader.com, then sign into your account. From here, we need to click on to support. And then we need to click on I need help with. Click on managing my account. Now choose the account that you like to reset. And now subject, just put in reset demo account, then description. Something very simple. Hi, can you please reset my demo account for me? Thanks. And click submit. And then give NinjaTrader 24 to 48 hours to get back to you and help with resetting your demo account.